and welcome to my video. I got here one of those Lyre kits, and there's I think 3 people online that made a video about their experience. So I think that's few enough that I can add my 5 cents to it. I always wanted one, and I didn't know that you could get a kit. It's $20. But looking at it, quite frankly, I wouldn't want to pay more than that. So here we have our tuning pegs. There is thankfully a key there. At first glance, I thought there was no key there. There's our strings. And then we'll have the Lyre here. So this seems to be a little bit better done than the ones I have seen online. So those holes where the strings sit in, way nicer tooled than what previous models had or other people had. However, it's actually not too bad. I thought it was super soft maybe, but it's okay. So some plywood, of course. And I've been thinking of doing a little bit torch work on it, and a little bit sanding, and a little bit varnishing. So let's get started. So this kit is apparently really an updated version of from what they were selling years ago, so 4 years ago. So this shoulder, or whatever it's called, actually fits and covers all the strings. That's good. So I'm about to put in the tuning pegs, and they do have a thread on there, but you have to do some pushing and shoving. Use the tool, and then don't go all the way down, because you will burst and crack the back layer of the Lyre here. Okay, anyways, goes like this. Hard to do one-handed. So I got the strings on. Of course, now I have to do the tuning, and I will go with the D, G, A, B, D, E, and that's a pentatonic tuning, meaning that each string can harmonize with each other. So it's like, you know, you make an atmospheric music with something like this, not necessarily playing melody. So the hardest part is, of course, tuning. We already got out of tune again. Oh, wrong one. There's the A. Okay, good. So in the beginning, you have to tune lots, because those steel strings have to stretch until they're hopefully hold the tuning. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching.